I'm about 7 minutes away, I'm gonna call them and let them know to prepare in advance. Fields, okay. Let's go ahead and call.
Thank you for calling Bartaco. This is Jessica. How may I help you?
Hey Jessica, how's it going?
Good. How are you?
Pretty good. I have a pickup for Asaya for Doordash, and I'll be there in about 7 minutes. Okay, just letting you know.
Okay. Yeah, perfect. It's ready for you. Okay.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Perfect. See you soon.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Stop for the customers. Anywho, going to Bartaco. Now, it's limited parking for this place, so if we get parking, we'll be very, very lucky. As you can see, it's up front. Probably get this spot right here. This is about the best we're gonna get for this place. Alright, so the entrance changed a little bit this time. I went to the entrance instead of waiting at the first counter. There's an arrow that takes you to a takeout spot, which is in the front, on the back. So you just follow the arrows and you exit on the other side, left side. So seamless process. Head off to our drop-off location. Call me, and I will come out and get it from you. Okay. Saks Fifth Avenue. Saks Fifth Avenue. It's not the mall, is it? Maybe it is the mall.
Yes, I'm coming outside.
Okay. I see a couple of side entrances. I'm gonna choose the one in front of the parking lot.
Yes. Any interest? I told you the one beside me.
What was that?
Entrance beside Macy's store. Are you at Saks Fifth Avenue?
I am. Okay, Macy's. I see Macy's. Is that you right there?
Yes,
Okay.
yes. Thank you so much.
No problem. No problem.
I added tip
Okay.
already.
There you go. You have a go.
I appreciate it.
No problem. Hey guys, Doordash Dawn here. Subscribe to the channel. Like, comment, hit the notification bell. Keep posted, dude. You never know when I drop a video. Whoa, like, totally awesome. Once you see the video, go crazy, insane, bossa nova, you know. Subscribe to the channel, dudes.